Welcome to our channel. We love to travel and are currently exploring France in our converted bus. This week we are visiting our favourite town to date. Menton blends French fancy with Italian charm, and we even managed to stop off at Monaco on the way back to Nice.
In our opinion, it's nicer than Nice.
What you like? Everywhere you go. We got off at 5:30 and we're going to go get a train for a day trip to Menton. And we left our campsite and walked down to our local station at Pelon.
This is how you know you're a dad.
And went to Nice Central. And then from there, we essentially got the train directly here, didn't we?
Yeah. Simple enough.
You book your tickets online.
And if there's more than one of you, you can get like a multi-ticket. And that works out cheaper than buying the individual tickets for each of you. So you've just got one thing for them to scan. And it just works out a lot easier and cheaper. So
we left the station, walked down to the seafront, and we're going to check out the local market.
Oh, it's cool in here. Oh, that's very nice.
One thing we found, and it's become a bit of a tradition in the last week or so, is that the fresh fruit obviously is amazing in France. So we come to the local market to get some. This store you get a little basket. So we grabbed a massive slice of watermelon without thinking how we'd eat it. And once again, we're amazed by people's kindness. Oh, no way! What you like? Everywhere you go. Everywhere she goes, someone gives her a lollipop. Why do you think she gave you a lolly?
Because I have pretty blue eyes.
Maybe. That's usually what does it for you. When we were in Ez yesterday, a lady commented on it as well in a jewellery shop. She's a lovely lady. She said that Lily looked beautiful. No one ever tells me I look beautiful. It's cavernous. You've got stuff inside, and then if you come outside, you've got bits and bobs all around. We're having a look out for what looks like some nice pastries. Oh, croissants and flatbread. Oh, you having one?
I'm having just a normal one.
Nice.
Being good about them.
There's tons of like nice restaurants. Obviously it's really early. We're like here at 9 o'clock. So only a few of them are open. Menton is really famous for lemons apparently. So if you came here in February, you could come to the lemon festival. But then they have lots of lemon products here too. So when we were in the market, we saw sort of lots of lemon juice, lots of lemon pastries, lemon scented things, all of that stuff. Bonjour. And we can see what else we can find today. Harry Potter, did you get it? I'm pretty sure the French love a dad joke too. On the bench and sit down and have some visit. Gotcha.
It's like a giant French program.
I don't know if this is for one person. We split it into two. Look at what we've got here. This is what I've got. What have you got?
Nice. Really nice. Like salty.
It's salty.
We've also got two huge croissants, one plain, one Nutella, and with the bread as well as 7 euros, which is good, because usually when you go to a bakery, they're like, it's quite expensive, isn't it?
After that pit stop, we made our way like through the little high streets and up shops, and then we found this little street. But go a little bit further up here and we can see the Basilica of Saint-Michel. Always a fly trying to get in my mouth.
That's what your breath smells like.
No.
Still on you, hang on.
It's trying to bite me. But anyway, check out this Instagrammable street.
Beautiful. I think you should take my picture.
I will take a picture. Very little people about, which is great. I think either because we've got so early, or maybe people just get off at Monaco, I don't know. Menton is beautiful.
Look at the fake. The fake Citrus
That's
fruit.
good though, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
We go, there she blows. And that's why you can see it from anywhere in the town. What do you think?
It's stunning. Look at the view as well. Gorgeous. Prince Henri II of Monaco wanted a big and spacious church in Menton, so he commissioned this.
Boom!
But it's beautiful, and there's also that bit too.
Believe how quiet it is everywhere.
In 2006, no less than 250,000 pebbles from Menton were selected by hand and used to restore the Calade, the traditional pebblestone streets with mosaic motifs. The winding streets, some of which date back to the Roman era, really are worth exploring.
And you come down here to find Lily sunglasses because she broke them, and we've ended up so far with some wicked cool tea towels and some soap.
It's not soap.
Oh, what was it then?
It's scent.
It's like
My room can smell like dog poo. Yeah, like cow poo from cows.
sometimes where we live by a farm. Sometimes when they're mucking out, you can smell.
It
cow
literally
poo.
never smells
Not
like
in the
it.
house, outside.
But I like your excuse for getting it. Well done. You're a clever girl. You're a clever girl.
She went with lavender.
So Menton is literally kissing the Italian border. So you get a mixture of Italian stuff and French stuff here. Because I eat a lot, the first thing that I noticed and then Cal noticed is that they've got ice cream sellers here and gelato. Literally opposite each other. So you can get what you want. And at the end of the high street, you get back to this where we walked in. We're going to wander back around now, show you the marina and the beach. Walking our way down to the beach, past the market. The tide's in. It's burn alright, girl. It's actually really refreshing. So there's like 3 main beaches here. There was probably more than that you could go to. The 3 main ones that the people go to. There's one over by there, behind the market. That's kind of like open to the elements, and it's a pebble beach. But if you walk a bit further down, and it will be busier, there is a sand beach that I just assume is probably man-made and is sheltered by a cove. So we're going to make our way there and see if we can find a spot. Hopefully it's not too busy. It should be a bit more sheltered for paddling for little one. And you know, sand's nicer on the feet anyway, isn't it? You just got to walk past the market, keep going down, and then you'll find it past the marina. I was just saying, wandering down here, this place is so cool.
We think, in our opinion, it's nicer than Nice.
Obviously we didn't go everywhere in Nice,
No.
but by definition it's just it's too big, isn't it, for us?
Yeah.
And this is just big enough, like you can walk everywhere. But all like these little restaurants down on the marina and all along the seafront.
The shops are close by, the market's close by. It's all close together really, isn't it?
And we had that bread thing, which was nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
And now we're going to go see if those croissants are any good. It's all about the food, have you noticed that?
And eat our watermelon first probably.
Watermelon?
And also lunch.
How do you eat a giant watermelon?
I don't know.
Maybe let's all just take one bite at a time.
Right.
Yeah.
I think this is a bilbao tree.
Yeah.
There's got to be a better way. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to hold it and handle it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I whipped out my tiny penknife and split it into 3.
We've just done about an hour on the beach. Really nice there, but it's so hot today. Like the locals seem to be fine, but we can't cope with it. So Lily's had a nice swim in the sea.
Dad rescued a bee.
I rescued a bee that was stranded on the beach.
Yeah.
Put it in the flowers. It's funny because we're so close to Italy, but we're in France. So a lot of the boats have got both flags on them, which is kind of neat. And I always find the on the mast when all of the ropes and rigging are rattling, it always reminds me of like the Caribbean. sort of music. Anyone else? Wow, check this out. Impressive now, isn't it? Amazing.
It's beautiful. Look how blue it is, which is gorgeous. You can see every day.
Just walking down the seafront, and it is way windier than earlier. But
You're a big wave to be surfing there.
yeah, some good surf. Don't know what the seafront is like really. It's kind of like a cross between France and Italy, but also like I don't know, like Florida wave really, I guess, as well.
Like, I don't know, a bit of Spain as well.
Very tropical. We're going back through, I suppose, New Menton now, towards the train station.
Yeah, the more modern part.
More modern part. I suppose there's quite a lot to see here really, if you had time.
Yeah. There's also a lot, there's, by the train station, there's a lot of building work going on there.
Yeah, revamping the place.
Yeah.
We're going to try and hop on to our next stop. So we got on the train at Menton.
3 stops later.
We're here. It's lights out and away they go. So we are in Monaco, or Monte Carlo at the moment. So this is the second smallest country in the whole world.
And the first is Vatican City.
There's quite a few nice things knocking about, but they haven't got a rusty old bus like ours.
No, they're missing out.
Missing out, mate.
Just don't get the appeal of the rust.
So we're making our way down to see the casino, and then we're going to see if there's anything actually in Monaco that we could actually afford.
No.
All my time that we've been here in the south of France, I've not seen a policeman until we come here, because they're all here, I think. They wear posh fancy uniforms as well. Just walking along here. Lil, quick, pop in here. What did you just ask about the don't walk on the signs, don't walk on the grass signs? What did you just ask about?
Other people are talking about.
And she said, but it's just not the riffraff. Actually, I don't think anyone's allowed to walk on the grass. So 1 in 3 of the 38,000 residents of Monaco are millionaires. So and even some of them are probably the riffraff, aren't they?
Yeah.
You get different gradings of them. So there we are.
It is very pretty. I know, a lot of traffic.
A lot of traffic. There's a smelly traffic.
Oh look, we accidentally found Chanel. Oh no! Me and Lil were saying that Daddy can buy us a bag. He said no.
Look, it's like, I want the white
Like
belt.
everything,
Yeah, no,
yeah,
and I want
you
that
get out
belt.
the bag.
I want that belt too. Yeah, and the white bag.
The belt and the bag.
Yeah, I like the bracelets too, but yeah.
You make do with just the belt and the bag.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. If there are any subscribers out there that would like to get one of these
Is
things.
it like
And Lily.
I have that size, but in black, please.
I want just the belt.
Do you? I would love the handbag.
Ooh. That man in that Brabus would buy it for Kelly if I showed him how to drive.
And me. We're asking.
Oh, he's done it again. I shouldn't be loving this as much as I am. Brilliant.
Approaching the casino, you get a sense of the wealth with the cars that are on show, and Kelly picked up a new job as a photographer.
Tour guide Cal,
They
taking pictures.
They didn't want a picture of the casino. They wanted it the other way. I was like, what? I want to look for all our stuff.
Hey, I want to look for all my gear.
Are we going to ask Dad to buy all that
I've got
stuff
his
we
really wet
want?
hats in there. No hats allowed in here.
Just men. Oh, it's pretty.
So if you were at the table, what would your lucky number be? What's your lucky number, Lil?
My lucky number is number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah.
Number 8.
Right then, put it on number 8.
Hope you don't hit anyone. Stop. You're to reverse.
Brilliant. Good job. Make a good croupier, Lil? I think you would. Great job.
It's like the what's it called? The,
Candelabra.
no, the one on the sconce on the wall, but not the shades, they're horrible on sticks, but the sconce is lovely. It's over there.
I'd have all this in my house.
Yeah, that's sconce.
Mate, real pop.
Lily thinks we're really going to go in Chanel and get something, but we're not.
No, it's so expensive now.
It's thousands, Chanel. Look at that little lip. My belt, she's like.
Absolutely mental.
It's very busy
People
here as well.
I mean, we're one of the people, so we can't complain.
No.
But my gosh.
You're right. What's wrong?
Just a Ferrari, nearly coughing up.
Yeah.
Very common, very common. Can't even afford
Could
like
be better.
McLaren or Bugatti. Very common. What do you think?
Seen multiple.
Everywhere, mate.
Tell you what you're not seeing, one of my courses.
One of my courses. Coolest car we've actually seen
Yeah.
is this Fiat 500.
It was lovely.
Amazing. Just parked on the street.
Oh yeah, that one. With the matching earrings. The top one. The top necklace, not the second one. I like the top one.
I want the matching earrings.
With the matching earrings, I don't like the ring.
Well, that's something, I suppose.
Yeah.
I want the necklace.
This whole place is ostentatious. It's not
It's
me.
all designer, yeah. I like looking at the pretties.
I don't. It's not me. There's people queuing like 75 feet there to go and have a cup of coffee.
Because it's like in a posh
It's
place.
in the posh
We go
place.
inside.
No, it's shut till 3, they're on lunch.
What's wrong with eating a Nutella croissant on a bench? Is that not what every woman really wants?
Sure.
Some of the clothes are really lovely.
Yeah.
Some of them will make you look like an absolute trumpet. Fair play. I think maybe the more money you get, the more of a trumpet you're allowed to look.
It's another world, mate, another world.
It's peacocking, isn't it, I think? Well, the wind's getting up. We haven't had long here, but we have seen the palace and
Yeah.
seen a few of the things.
Do you know?
And maybe we'll come back here one day.
Yeah.
Because it's been a long day for us,
Yeah, it
hasn't
has, yeah.
it? Ready to get moving then?
Yeah, let's go. That's lovely, it's right in your feet.
There's never any seats. But the trains do run on time, they seem to.
Yeah.
You just never can get a seat. Lily taught one, though, that's the main thing. When we made our way back from Monaco yesterday, we actually forgot to film because we were really hot and we had other things going on. But we're back at our campsite now, actually ready to move on. Quite a few people have asked us about the campsite we're staying on, so we'll put the details down below. But it's been really perfectly situated for all of the day trips by train.
And also, the people that own it, they're so lovely, aren't they? They're really helpful and just really kind.
Yeah, this is our sort of campsite really. You've got everything you need. So you've got showers, you've got your fresh water, you've got a good washing machine and dryer, you've got a little games room if you want that, you've got ping pong tables, everything you really need really.
Yeah, it's just really nice chilled atmosphere as well.
So we're making our way next on to Avignon. So we should hopefully catch you on that next video, which might pop up here. And if it's not out yet, you can watch some of our most recent France adventures.
And then we'll see you at the next one. 1, 2, 3.
Bye!